The Voice of the People Party staged a walkout in the Legislative Assembly on Thursday in protest against the decision to allow Education Minister Rakkam Sangma to respond to a question raised by VPP President Ardent. The question pertained to the appointment of teachers in the Dadenggre Sub-Division. As soon as Deputy Speaker Timothy Shira announced the decision to allow the minister to answer, Ardent and a group of VPP MLAs stood up and walked out of the assembly while shouting, "Shame, shame." Ardent alleged that the minister was involved in making hate speeches, accusing the VPP of being against Garo and inciting bloodshed between them. He demanded action against the minister, stating that the VPP had already lodged a complaint. News Desk, Hub News.
Nara chugumak ansing baljokna skama mabanggi jasan.
Chugumak tanang?
Enda ko de koros kamu tungo maina chugumak kuni jainga plus F markadong pako.
Plus F?
Salantio anchini chaani rango peena namgani rangko de bangakon watchanga jean anchini bimang gisik porayani nambate rakani mandapani aru gemuk konik nekata nang koban.
Ndak plianga chaunan machungjak?
Oe chugumak nanganirang unigemen na atta merong kari to aru dut rangko koros kaingon plus F marka donggo pa kosa nibo maina uno iron aru vitamin rangko nangani kriotna sungi chane chaoba mukronchi nioba aru chatho nioba mamang dengtangani ko ijawa
dengtang rekani ko ijora maina sabrans ka injok
endiba mengsau blongen dengtang rekani donga anchinian sing baljokaniyo Nambata chaani rengani chi, nambate jangi thangani. Plus F marka dongpa chaani rangko, daaloni jakhalbo.